Alright guys, so I want to come on here and do a quick unboxing and review on my new men's 3-piece slim suit. I do want to say thank you to the company for sending it out for review, so let's go ahead and actually take a look at it. First off, the suit includes everything you need for a polished, sophisticated look. A one-button slim fit jacket, a double-breasted vest, and modern flat front pants. It's the perfect set for weddings, parties, any kind of events, business meetings, or even work. Whether you're dressing up for a formal occasion or just adding a stylish twist to your casual wardrobe, this suit has you covered. Now let's talk about the versatility. The suit isn't just for special events, it also works perfect for everyday wear. You can mix and match the jacket, vest, or pants with any other pieces from your wardrobe. For example, the blazer pairs great with any kind of like jeans for a more casual, sharp look, while the vest can be worn with a different jacket for a more unique look. It's ideal for any age, making it a great present for brothers or husbands, fathers, anyone who wants to level up their wardrobe. One of the key selling points of the suit is its style. Available in a variety of colors, as you can see, I did get the blue one. It's perfect for the groom and his best man or anyone looking to stand out in the crowd. So whether you're the groom or just attending a business event, the suit gives you the perfect formal look with modern details. Another great thing about this suit is the slim fit design. It enhances the body shape, offering a streamlined modern silhouette, but don't worry, it's not too tight or uncomfortable. I will say it did fit true to size. The suit is tailored to fit you well, and there are other various sizes available. Make sure you check the detailed size and size recommendation chart that they offer. And this is what it looks like once I actually have it on. What I love about the suit is the way it fits. That slim fit is modern and stylish, and it really enhances your silhouette without being uncomfortable. The jacket is perfectly tailored with a sharp look that gives you that polished appearance whether you're at work or heading to a more formal event. The vest adds a layer of sophistication, and that flat front pants completes the whole ensemble, giving you the sleek modern style. Now let's go ahead and talk about the fabric. The suit is made from high quality material that's breathable and comfortable, which means it doesn't just look great, it feels great too. So it's got the right weight to it, providing a sophisticated feel without being too heavy. Whether you're indoors or outdoors, you won't be overheating, but it still holds up well for cooler weather too. The texture is another highlight. It's smooth to the touch and has a nice refined feel that's not overly shiny, keeping things classy. The stitching is clean and you can really tell it's built to last. It doesn't wrinkle easily, and that's a big win for me, especially when you're wearing something like this all day. So if you guys found this video useful, make sure you guys like and subscribe. It helps out the channel. But if you guys are looking for a new men's 3-piece suit, definitely look into this one. I'm gonna leave that link down below so y'all can get yours. Highly recommend.